count and see how many items I'm carrying for a 3 days, 2 nights camping weekend. 8. Hello guys, and welcome to Throttleware Shop. I am Dilly Mama, and this is Dilly Mama channel, and today I am talking about camping and packing for the camping. So I'm just going to show you what you can pick from our shop for your 3 days, 2 nights camping. So karibuni sana. Here are items I have picked from Throttleware Shop for my camping. I'll also be traveling by motorcycle, so I need to be careful about how much weight and how much size of a luggage I can fit on my motorcycle for my comfort. And in everything that I carry, I have to make sure that I don't compromise on my safety as well as on my comfort during this camping. My activities during this camping will include, of course, riding to the venue, and I want to do swimming, and then there will be a campfire, and then I think I'll walk around the town a bit before returning back home. So let's see what I picked from Throttleware and how many items I have carried for this. Guys, if you've been struggling with packing items for your camping or adventure travel, this is a place to be, because when we make sure that we select fabrics that are very comfortable when you're wearing them, or we make sure that our items are multifunctional, so you can use them for more than one activity or one use. We also make sure that our fabric is easy to maintain, light in weight, it folds to small sizes, and it is also warm enough for you, because you know when you're traveling on a motorcycle, the temperatures outside feel a little lower when you're moving because of the wind. So let's see. This season is cold. It's a little cold because it's rainy. So I've picked a few items that are warm to ensure that I don't expose myself to baridi, and I also don't have to pack heavy. Let's go. So the first thing I've picked from Throttleware is my riding pants. My riding jeans from Throttleware. And why have I picked this pair of jeans is because the armors are removable. I'll put them on the jeans when I need them and then remove them when I don't need them. The design of these jeans looks exactly just like your regular jeans. So once I arrive at my location, my first activity of the day is that I'm going to the city, not city center, I'm going to the small town near the place, because I want to pick a few items, and I don't want to ride there because it's a walking distance. So I'm just going to remove my armors, and my jeans will turn into regular jeans, and I can walk comfortably without feeling the bulk you feel with a riding pants. And if I choose to have a night out today, the jeans will do the thing. The second thing that I have picked is the thermal liner or the riding jeggings. So why did I pick this is in case it is cold. Like I've told you, this season it's raining, so I'm not so sure how the weather is going to change. But if it gets cold, I'll wear this under my jeans. And the good thing is, I will just shift the armors from my jeans, put them in the pockets of the jeggings, and wear the jeans on top. Or just wear the jeggings as jeggings, and the armor remains in the jeans, and I am warm. And the other advantage of having this is, the other reason why I've picked them is because besides taking care of me if it gets colder than I think, they will be my loungewear. So during the campfire, these are the leggings that I'll be wearing in the evening during the campfire. They come with a they come with a fleece finish, so they are warm enough, and they will also act as my pajamas. So if it doesn't get so cold to wear them under my jeans, I will use them for lounge, and I will also use them as pajamas. Now, in the evening when I'm wearing this as my loungewear for campsites and pajama. I will combine it with this hoodie. This hoodie parts very small when folded because it's not like the regular cotton heavy and thick hoodies. This one parts that small. It has a fleece finish on the inside and a fleece feel on the outer, so it's very warm. So I'll combine this with my jeggings and I have a nice lovely evening. Of course, when I'm riding, I'll be wearing something else inside. So my jeans will be worn with this top and I will still have it under my hoodie. So I'll be perfect. That's day 1. Day 2, my plan is to do swimming, relax and enjoy. So I have this pair of shorts and we have them in different colors. I'll show you. I have this pair of shorts. That's what I'm going to be wearing on top of my swimsuit, and even when I remove my swimsuit, this is going to remain my attire of the day. And I'm combining it with Throttle Adventures vest. If it gets cold, like I said, this season is raining and you don't know what. So if it gets cold and I can't swim and I can't stay in my shorts, I'll still have my jeggings that I just only wore for the lounge, for the bonfire in the evening or the campfire in the evening, and as a pajama. So I'll have that during the day in case the weather is not favorable for swimming, and I will still be comfortable. Day 3 is my return back home. What am I wearing? I go back to my pair of riding jeans, which I had, together with the armors, and of course, if it is that cold, then again, I will put my jeggings inside. And if it gets extremely cold, I can switch to this thermal top, which also has a fleece finish and very warm. So I don't need to layer a lot to stay warm. This under my riding jacket, I'm warm enough. Of course, don't forget that when you're camping, you're not issued with shower gels and lotions. It's not luxury. So you have to carry your own lotion. We have silicone bottles, leak proof. Even if your bike went down and these were pressed, they won't open. They will not leak, so they're very good. You can put your shower gel, your lotion, your sunscreen, and your shampoo for those who wash their hair every day. And they also come with a nice Ziploc bag. Making your organization of things absolutely neat and nice. So let's count and see how many items I'm carrying for a 3 days, 2 nights camping weekend. 1. Of course, with this, it's complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, my intimates are an extra, but they're not many. I'd like to hear whether this is ideal for you for camping. That's 3 days and 2 nights. And if it is not ideal, what would you add into what I have just packed for my camping? For this particular camping, I'm not carrying camping equipment. I'm actually going to be using tents and sleeping bags from the facility. Let's go camping!